Hey guys, Krisha here. Please be cautious of any fake comments and emails you may receive from people pretending to be Mango Research. Sean and I will never, ever contact you for investment opportunities or anything of that sort. To get in touch with the real Mango team, make sure to join our official Discord chat using the link in the description below. Stay safe out there, and remember, do it Mango.
Good morning, everyone, and a happy Sunday to all of you. I have a guest with us today, a surprise guest. She's not here with us often, but hey, she decided to hijack this video that I was supposed to do alone with you guys. Krisha, say hi.
And what's up, you guys?
I was hoping to give Krisha a break today, but no. She can't get enough of you guys. So with that, Krisha, let's go ahead and get started with this quick video where I want to again ensure that everyone does not lose sight of what's important. We're closing a weekly, Krisha, but we're closing a monthly as well.
Yep.
So I want everyone to make sure that they do not get caught up with the noise on the lower time frames. You guys can use a certain lower time frame that I love to use leading into the weekly close as a guide, right? To maybe position yourself a bit earlier. We'll talk about that as well. But over here, Krisha, we do have the weekly. How's this looking like to you so far?
Really good. I mean, what we're waiting for right now is that confirmation. Like, I'm just looking at the horizontals that you have drawn in, and yeah, I'm waiting on confirmation. As soon as we get that next candle close over 47.5k, it's clear. I mean, just look at the ebb and flow, right? What are your thoughts?
These are actually your horizontals. This is your chart
brilliant.
over here. So yeah, I haven't changed anything from anything at all. Okay, deliberately I haven't changed anything at all from our prior videos, from what you had drawn in those prior videos, Krisha. So what I want to do though, okay, yes, we have the weekly close. We have the weekly close right over here. We're going to do something different. We're going to be going back and forth between time frames. Not so different from my usual analysis, but different from Krisha's analysis. We're going to start off with the monthly, okay? I want everyone to focus and remember what's important over here. We've been talking about this major low over here at around 47,000, 48,000. That wick low coming in the month of April is that low that we are looking for Bitcoin to close its monthly candle above. Now, if it doesn't do that, it's not a death sentence by any means. All it means is that Bitcoin did not get that fantastic close. Okay, it would still be a good close if we close anywhere above, I would say, 43,000-ish, right? If we close anywhere above 43,000, the candle will be relatively good. 44 to be exact. But if we do get that candle close above 47,000, Krisha, this wick low over here, right? That's when we know that, damn, the bulls really stepped up in these past 2 months over here.
Yeah.
So this low again, 47,000 to 48,000, the key low on the monthly time frame. And now, if you go on over to that 12-hour time frame, Krisha, you guys can see that's the horizontal right over there, by the way.
It's beautiful.
Look at where we came down and tested.
Yeah.
Literally on that, right? So you could use that horizontal on the 12-hour time frame by marking out these candle closes over here, essentially this consolidation before we broke towards the upside. You can see that the bulls and the bears are literally fighting this battle across this horizontal here, guys. Okay, this horizontal is that monthly horizontal, that monthly level. This is why I always implore you guys to keep your eyes on the forest and don't get lost in the trees, because the forest will give you guys a better idea of what's going on and you won't get chopped up, right? You can see the bulls and the bears fighting. Who's going to win? The bulls took it over, the bears pushed back down, the bulls took over again, the bears tried to push back down, but leading into that weekly close, the bulls are like, no, we want to close this weekly candle above that monthly level, right? So we are closing the monthly, I think, the day after or a couple of days after, but the bulls can stand to make a statement if they close the weekly above that monthly low over here at around 47,000. Okay, so right over here, you guys can see that the monthly is closing 2 days and 18 hours later. Yeah. The weekly is closing in 18 hours, right? So we got to wait around 2 days after the weekly close. Yeah. I like to look at the 12-hour candle leading into the weekly closes. Okay, that last 12-hour candle leading into the weekly close is what I like to use to set my bias for that weekly candle. I've said this many times in the past before, and it has led to many opportunistic trades on that 12-hour candle, that last 12-hour candle leading into that weekly close. I think we may be seeing something similar over here too. If we do lose this level over here, it would mean that, hey, maybe I'll hold back and not position myself on that monthly level just yet. But if we do start seeing this get defended and we start making our way towards the upside, to me, what this is going to look like is, hey, leading into the weekly close, these 12-hour candles have been testing that monthly level, and the bulls are looking to make a statement with that weekly close, right? So, thoughts, Kusha?
I completely agree. I think the candles leading up to the next weekly is going to be the massive tell in what who's winning the fight here, because it's a battle, right? Between the bulls and the bears at this particular juncture here at 47K. So yeah, the 12-hour, guys, eyes peeled. It's going to be the tell.
Yep, exactly. We have a really nice ebb and flow over here on the 12-hour time frame. Can the bulls maintain this and push towards the upside?
You brought up something in terms of the Ichimoku cloud. I think that would serve as a good invalidation point.
On the 4-hour time frame, that was yesterday, right?
Oh, yes.
We can go ahead and take a look at that, but again, I don't want people to get too caught up in the lower time frames. A lot of bragging rights over here. Yes, we talked about this again, guys. Go ahead and watch yesterday's video on Bitcoin. Was yesterday or the it was yesterday, the first video that we did yesterday. We talked about how this horizontal over here lining up with the Tenkin now and this 21 EMA top of the cloud, this entire zone over here, right? How price has been respecting the cloud over and over again, and yet again you guys can see that we came down, tested the cloud, right, closed above it, dipped underneath, tested the Tenkin, and as things stand, as long as we close above here in an hour and 52 minutes, we're going to be defending that cloud again. So yes, you guys can use that cloud as your bias, because if you just zoom out, you're going to see that ever since we started the rally, the top of the cloud over here, the Tenkin Kijun, has been holding in conjunction as support, right, throughout.
Yeah.
So you can use the Ichimoku trend as your guide. As long as you're holding this, things are looking good. But again, personally, I think there's an easier way to look at this now. Keep your Sunday easy, keep your Sunday stress-free, keep your Sunday breezy, and keep your eye on the weekly, right? The monthly will tell the story as well. Kusha, the weekly Tenkin, I should have been mentioning this. Weekly Tenkin coming in over there again, 47,000, right? So weekly Tenkin, 47,000. For our top of the cloud, 47,000. Let's not forget that monthly low that we've been harping on over and over again, 47,000, right? So can the bulls hold this level? Currently they're living above it. We have 2 days and 18 hours to go for the monthly and around 17 hours to go for the weekly. Stay tuned for the next episode of Mango Ball Z. So until then, guys, Kusha, any final thoughts?
No, that's all for today.
So we're going to go ahead, enjoy our Sunday. We may do an update on that 12-hour candle close, but if you guys want an update on an altcoin instead, let us know which altcoin you guys want us to cover in the comments below. And yeah, we'll go ahead and cover the most popular coin. We did cover Luna yesterday, by the way, a surprise video on that one. Go ahead and check that one out. It's doing pretty well. Not the video, the coin. But yeah, until then, do the mango way, do the easy way, do the stress-free way, do it the breezy way. Ciao.
Ciao, guys.